This is the assembly video for a LOBO table. Before beginning, make sure you have the required tools and parts for this setup. Place the LOBO table face down on a protected flat surface. Then place the LOBO frame tabs down, aligning them with the pre-drilled holes. Secure the frame to the tabletop with number 10 square pan screws. Starting at one corner, put the 5/16 inch bolt that is welded to the leg through the corner support brace. Do this for all 4 of the legs. Place the 5/16 inch lock washer and hex nut onto the leg bolt. Then tighten it with a 1/2 inch wrench. Using an R2 square bit, secure the leg plate to the top with number 10 3/4 inch square pan screws. If you have an epoxy top, start by laying the top face down on a protected flat surface. Set the leg frame on the tabletop and align it so it's centered on the top. To make it easier, we suggest marking out the edges of the frame on the tabletop so you know where to put the sealant. After this, remove the frame from the tabletop. With a caulk gun and a polyurethane sealant, lay a 3/8 inch bead where the frame will be placed, the full distance around. Carefully place the frame on top of the sealant so it is centered to the tabletop. There's no need to smooth out the sealant, just make sure that the frame is placed flush to the tabletop and let it cure for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can then flip your table over with someone's help. This should complete your assembly for the LOBO table. Before beginning, make sure you have all the tools and parts required for this setup. Start by twisting the stem of the caster into the hole on the bottom of each leg. Lock the caster, then use a 3/4 inch wrench to tighten the nut onto the stem of the caster. If you are using adjustable legs, insert a star washer and an M6 screw into the holes closest to the caster and tighten them with a 4mm hex bit. This should complete your assembly for the heavy-duty casters. Start by removing the nylon glide from the leg by rotating it counterclockwise until the glide is free. Place the stem of the dual wheel locking caster into the leg. Rotate clockwise until fully inserted. Fully tighten the caster. If you would like to have the grand hang glides attached, start by removing the nylon glide from the leg by rotating it counterclockwise until the glide is free. Place the stem of the grand hang glide into the leg. Rotate clockwise until it is fully inserted. For the gussets, make sure the legs are fully installed and adjusted to the correct height. Once your legs are adjusted to your desired height, place the gusset in the corner where the leg and the frame both meet. Using a rubber mallet, set the self-drilling screws into place. After that, use a screw gun and a 5/16 inch hex bit to finish fastening the gusset down. Congratulations! Your new LOBO table is fully assembled and looking fantastic. If you have any questions, call our customer service today.